how to back up and restore your iPhone using the latest method. So for that, you have to follow this step for your both iCloud and iTunes or Finder. So first step is that you can use your iCloud, which is wireless method. Ensure your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection. And you have to navigate to your setting here. Once you are on your setting, open up your setting and at the top of the screen you have to tap on your name to access your Apple ID setting. And here you have to just go for your iCloud. And under your iCloud, you have to scroll down and you can see the iCloud backup here. So you have to just go for the backup here and you have to just go for the backup now option and make sure our iPhone stays to a connected Wi-Fi until the backup is completed. And you have to note that iPhone backup typically your app data, photos, device setting, and more. If you have lot of data, instead you have enough iCloud storage. So the 5 GB is free and additional storage can be purchased. Also, you can use the computer to share your data and you have to connect your iPhone to a Mac using a USB cable to connect your iPhone to your Mac. And in the Finder sidebar, you have to select your iPhone under the location and you can use the general tab to back up now. So that's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Also, you can navigate to your setting. Under your setting, you have to just go for your general option. And here on your general option, scroll down and go for the transfer or reset. Just go for your transfer and reset your devices. So that's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.